Are you ready to turn your smartphone or laptop into a money-making machine with just a few clicks? Welcome to the futuristic world of 2025, where AI tools aren't just about making life easier, they're about making your wallet thicker. From automating mundane tasks to unleashing your inner creative genius, here's how you can harness the power of AI to pocket an extra $500 every month, and possibly even more. Let's explore in this video the top 10 AI-driven hustles that are reshaping the gig economy and how you can jump on this lucrative bandwagon. 1. AI-enhanced content creation. Imagine effortlessly crafting entire articles, blog posts, or compelling marketing copy within minutes. AI tools like Jasper AI and ChatGPT are not just about speed. They represent a revolution in content creation. These platforms analyze existing content across the web to generate unique SEO-optimized articles that engage readers and keep them coming back for more. This ability to rapidly produce high-quality content opens up opportunities for content marketing, affiliate blogging, and even ghostwriting. With the growing content needs of brands globally, positioning yourself as an AI-powered content creator could see you commanding top dollar for your services. This not only provides a steady income, but also keeps your workday varied and intellectually stimulating. 2. Graphic design with AI. In a world where digital presence is critical, AI tools like Canva and MidJourney empower users to create professional-grade graphics that capture and convey brand stories. These platforms come equipped with intuitive design features that simplify the creation of everything from web banners to full-scale marketing campaigns. For instance, with AI's assistance, you can customize templates to suit specific branding guidelines, experiment with color palettes, and deploy design elements that resonate with different demographics. This capability is invaluable for social media managers, marketing agencies, and small businesses looking to enhance their online visibility. By providing AI-assisted graphic design services, you open up a path to creative entrepreneurship, catering to clients worldwide without needing a background in graphic design. 3. AI-powered video editing. As video content continues to dominate online platforms, AI video editing tools like Runway and Pictory AI are becoming indispensable. These tools not only simplify cutting and trimming footage, but also intelligently suggest edits based on the content's pacing and narrative flow. For content creators, this means less time spent on the technical aspects of video production and more time on storytelling and brand building. Such efficiency is particularly beneficial for YouTubers, course creators, and corporate marketing teams who need to produce large volumes of video content regularly. Offering AI-enhanced video editing services could set you apart in the freelance market, attracting a diverse clientele ranging from educational institutions to entertainment channels, all looking to capitalize on the video content boom. 4. AI-driven voiceovers and chatbots. Expanding on the use of AI for voice interaction, platforms like Murf AI are transforming how businesses communicate. These tools enable the creation of voiceovers that are indistinguishable from human speech, which can be tailored to suit any tone or style, from corporate presentations to casual blog narrations. The versatility of AI voiceovers makes them ideal for e-learning modules, where clear and engaging narration is crucial. Additionally, integrating AI-powered chatbots via platforms like ManyChat can automate and personalize customer interactions across various sectors, from retail to services, providing a responsive and interactive user experience. This dual approach not only enhances customer engagement, but also streamlines communication processes, reducing dependency on large customer support teams and thereby cutting operational costs. 5. Create and sell digital art. Delving deeper into the realm of digital art created through AI, tools like Craiyon and Runway ML enable artists to explore new frontiers of creativity. These platforms use machine learning to interpret and transform simple sketches or concepts into detailed artworks, which can be adapted to various media forms. Artists can use these tools to venture into the burgeoning market of digital collectibles, including NFTs, where the uniqueness and originality of artworks fetch high market values. Additionally, the ability to quickly generate multiple iterations of a concept allows artists to cater to a broader range of client specifications, making AI-generated art a versatile option for custom merchandise, gaming skins, or digital marketing assets. 6. Multilingual content services. The power of AI to break down language barriers offers significant opportunities in content creation and distribution. Using tools like HeyGen, creators can produce multilingual versions of their work, dramatically expanding their reach and accessibility. This service is particularly valuable for educational content providers, who can make their resources available to a global audience, enhancing both educational impact and market penetration. Moreover, the ability to manage and tailor content for different cultural contexts increases its relevance and appeal, opening up new revenue streams in international markets. For businesses looking to globalize, these AI services provide a cost-effective solution to localization challenges, making global marketing strategies more feasible and effective. 7. AI for e-commerce and web design. In the competitive world of e-commerce, AI is proving to be a game changer, significantly enhancing the way online stores operate and engage with customers. AI-driven tools like Hostinger's Website Builder not only create visually appealing designs, but also incorporate sophisticated algorithms to optimize site functionality. These systems analyze user behavior to suggest design tweaks that can improve navigation and engagement, seamlessly integrate SEO practices to boost organic traffic, and personalize user experiences by adapting content to meet the preferences of individual visitors. The result is a more intuitive shopping experience that can lead to higher conversion rates, increased customer loyalty, and sustained revenue growth. 8. Dropshipping and print-on-demand AI technology is revolutionizing the dropshipping and print-on-demand sectors by introducing more dynamic and responsive business operations. Real-time analytics powered by AI help business owners understand market trends and consumer preferences, allowing them to adjust their inventories and marketing strategies swiftly to capitalize on emerging opportunities. Moreover, AI-enhanced chatbots can take over routine customer interactions, from answering FAQs to offering personalized shopping guidance, thus enhancing the overall customer service experience without the need for extensive human intervention. This automation extends to managing stock levels and marketing campaigns, making these business models highly scalable and reducing the financial risks associated with inventory and overhead costs. 9. AI-generated art and designs. AI tools like DeepArt and Runway ML democratize the creation of art and design by translating abstract ideas into detailed visual expressions with little to no manual intervention. These tools can be used to create everything from fine art pieces for digital or physical sale to functional designs such as logos and web elements. The ability to rapidly produce and iterate on designs opens up new opportunities for artists and designers to work with a broader array of clients, from small businesses to corporate entities, all seeking unique digital aesthetics. This not only expands the market for digital art, but also allows creators to explore new styles and techniques that would be too time-consuming or difficult to achieve manually. 10th. Content translation and transcription. Services enhancing traditional translation and transcription services, with AI technologies like Google Translate and Otter.ai, can significantly increase efficiency and accuracy. These tools support freelancers and agencies by providing a rough draft of translations and transcriptions that can then be refined. Offering additional services such as localization and technical editing can further enhance the value of these services. particularly in fields where accuracy is critical, such as legal, medical, and academic research. This enhanced service offering not only helps expand clientele, but also allows providers to charge a premium for high-quality, specialized work. All right, folks. That wraps up our deep dive into how AI is revolutionizing the way we work and create, from enhancing web designs to powering multilingual content services. If you found this video insight, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech-savvy content.